Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to give you a first look at the all-new Woodcraft Superbike Grip SB1 Sport Bike grips. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, dude, are you really doing a video on grips? Grips are just grips, man. You slide them on and you go. They're all the same, right? Well, if that's what you think, you don't know my buddy Eric Wood from Woodcraft very well. Anytime he comes up with a product, right, he develops it from the perspective of a user as he is still riding and racing very actively at this point. He won't introduce a product if it's not different than what's already in the marketplace, and if he can't get it to a point where he feels that it really helps move the experience forward. These grips are no different. They're number one, available in multiple colors. For obvious reasons, we went with the blue black. Let's pull them out of the package, give you a quick look, talk about a couple of the features and benefits that separate these from some of the others that are on the market today. Got the throttle side here. Safety wire channels, right? One on the inside, one right there. Woodcraft logo placement is cool. All the waffling they've done, this really looks a little more like a motocross grip, right? Than it does a sport bike grip. And instead of using a super soft compound to get all the traction for the grip, they have some very prominent diamond shapes in that, more durable rubber compound, and that is where all the traction comes from between your glove and the grip. Eric showed me some pictures of a set that's been on his bike for the entire season. They literally look like he just put them on. So for people who like to buy things that last longer, that's a great reason to do it. Other features and benefits that stand alone, okay, besides just the surface of the grip itself, you'll note right here on the very innermost portion of the grip as it butts up against the throttle, and for symmetry reasons, they did it on the clutch side too, they have channeled out all the waffling. And the reason for that was throttle release. The way that Eric holds onto his throttle, he found it easier to release, right? Because obviously he's using his index finger quite a bit, and I think most of us do. I mean, throttle application, your index finger is probably the most important one on that handlebar at that point. So he removed all that, and it just allows the throttle to release even easier than it normally would. Another thing that's unique is the top portion of the grip is smooth and clean. There's really not an obstruction there. And this is just a preference thing that he has, that he built into this product. But on the bottom, there is a bit of a pronounced lip. So that way you kind of still, you don't have any interference up here on the top, but your pinky kind of catches on the lower portion of that grip, and it helps hold it there, and you just know where it's at. It's a good point of reference too with your hands on the bars. Orientation, on the inside of this, there is an arrow, and there is also a right-left, in case you don't realize the one with the bigger inner diameter goes on the throttle side, right? That's a little bit of a different feature. Installing these on your bike. The concept here, and you can see this, right? It almost looks like a cam, right? You want the thickest portion of this to be on the bottom. That's where it's going to be most effective when you're holding on to it, right? So you're going to install these probably with the Woodcraft logo kind of facing back like this. Probably a lot like you see there with the Domino logo, like that. And that's just going to keep the thicker portion on the bottom. Retail on these is $18.99. They're available in several colors to match your bike. They are available now at SportbikeTrackGear.com.